Hi guys, welcome to my other video of upgrade my computer. These are the components to be replaced. The Intel quad-to-quad Q9550 and 4GB memory. They are still good for general use, such as web surfing, word processing, etc. But definitely not powerful enough for video editing and gaming. So I made the decision to replace them with a more powerful CPU and more RAM. This is the X79 motherboard I picked. It is a no-brand China motherboard. The build quality of this motherboard is good. It's a brand new motherboard and costs about $120. The CPU I picked is the used Xeon E5-2660 8-core 16-thread CPU, and the price is about $55. The price-performance ratio of this CPU is quite good. For the RAM, I bought two pieces of 8GB DDR3 registered ECC memory modules, a total of 16GB memory. They cost about $50. Okay, let's check out the basic features of the motherboard. This board supports up to 64GB memory with two SATA 3 and two SATA 2 ports. There are 6 USB 2 ports, 2 USB 3 ports, 1 gigabit Ethernet port, 1 eSATA port at the back, and of course, some onboard connectors for the audio and USB ports of the front panel. But the packing is really simple. Just a bubble bag like this and a cardboard. The package comes with one cooling fan mounting support, one SATA cable, and nothing more. No driver, no manual. This is the Aardwolf CPU cooling fan I picked. It comes with one 120mm fan. The heatsink quality looks good. The CPU conducting surface is flat. The package also comes with some brackets for different CPU sockets. And I bought one more 120mm fan as the heatsink is capable to mount 2 fans, like this, if needed. Or I can just use one fan as the case fan. This is the used E5-2660 CPU. Although the CPU is used, but the condition is still good. There is still some thermal paste stuck at the side of the CPU. Okay, now use isopropyl alcohol to clean the CPU. Many guys suggest to use 99% isopropyl alcohol, but that is not necessary actually. 75% isopropyl alcohol is good enough, and I'm sure you can get it from nearby store easily. This LGA 2011 socket with 2 lever arms. You need to unlock the lever arms and pull up the cover, then the CPU can be placed in. You can see a triangle mark on the corner of the CPU, and the socket with the triangle mark as well. Just align the triangles and place the CPU in the socket gently. Then pull down the cover and lock the lever arms. Here 2 8GB DDR3 registered ECC Ram, so 16GB RAM totally. Installing the RAM is easy. Just align the notch at the bottom of the RAM with the RAM slot. Press down the RAM module. That's all. I leave 2 RAM slots at the front empty for now, because I can easily install more memory later if I want to. Okay, it's time to install the Aardwolf cooling fan. This is the screw comes with the cooling fan, and it's for LGA 2011 socket. Put the brackets on. If you are not sure about the correct install direction, you may consult the menu, or just like me, place the heatsink to the position and look if it fits. When tightening screws, don't tighten one screw all the way down, then go for the next screw. Instead, you should tighten all screws bit by bit to ensure the force applied to every screw equally. The thermal paste I use is the Arctic MX4. Just apply the thermal paste to the CPU with the P method. Peel off the protection film of the heatsink. The contacting surface of the heatsink looks good. Okay, put the heatsink on top of the CPU, then secure it. Mount the 120mm fan to the heatsink. Finally, connect the fan to the fan connector of the motherboard. Don't put the components to the case yet. It's always better to connect them outside and test if the components are working fine before you install them to the case. You can connect the power switch or just use the screwdriver to short the power pins to boot the computer. The components are working fine. I will then install them to the case. Unfortunately, the cables of the power supply is not long enough. I have to buy the extension cable or buy a new power supply. I picked this Segotep 550 watts power supply. The price is about $50. It is a full module power supply and it comes with wireless also. Best of all, it comes with the nice red modular cables. I took a lot of time to do the cable management, and I think you're not interested to see it, so just skip it. And here is the finished product. Wish you guys liked the video. See ya.